Have you ever heard the phrase, not your keys, not your crypto? If you're getting into crypto, understanding wallets is essential. But with terms like hot and cold wallets flying around, things can get confusing. Don't worry, we're going to break it all down for you in the simplest way possible. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to store your crypto safely and set up your first wallet. Let's dive in. What is a crypto wallet? So, what exactly is a crypto wallet? Well, just like you need a wallet to store your cash and cards, you need a crypto wallet to store your digital assets. But here's the key thing. Crypto wallets don't actually store your coins. Instead, they store your private keys, which give you access to your crypto on the blockchain. These private keys are like the password to your vault of digital wealth. If you lose them or someone else gets a hold of them, you lose access to your crypto. That's why it's so important to keep them safe. Example: think of a crypto wallet like your online banking login. The money isn't in the app, but if you lose your login details, you lose access to your account. Same thing with your private keys in a crypto wallet. Types of crypto wallets: hot versus cold. There are two main types of crypto wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Let's break down what each of them does. Hot wallets, pros and cons. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making them super convenient for everyday use. These include mobile wallets, web wallets, and desktop wallets. Pros: easy to use for frequent transactions. Accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Free to set up. Cons: since they're always online, they're more vulnerable to hacking. If the platform hosting your wallet gets compromised, so does your crypto. Example: think of a hot wallet like your regular wallet or a banking app. It's convenient, you can use it daily, but if you lose your wallet or it gets stolen, your cash is gone. Hot wallets, pros and cons. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline. They store your private keys on a physical device, like a USB stick or even a piece of paper. This makes them far more secure. Pros: immune to online hacks because they aren't connected to the internet. Great for long-term storage or large amounts of crypto. Cons: less convenient for frequent transactions. If you lose the physical device or paper, you lose access to your crypto. How to set up a crypto wallet. Now that you know the difference, let's walk through how to set up a crypto wallet. We'll go with a hot wallet for this example since it's easy to get started. 1. Choose a wallet. Head to your app store and download a reputable wallet app like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Coinbase Wallet. 2. Create an account. Once installed, you'll be prompted to create a new wallet. The app will generate a seed phrase, usually 12 or 24 random words. Write this down and store it in a secure place. This is your backup in case you lose your phone or the app. 3. Set a strong password. Make sure to set a strong password for extra security. Some wallets also offer biometric options like fingerprint or face recognition. 4. Send and receive crypto. Now, you're ready to receive crypto, you'll get a public address that you can share to receive coins or tokens. It's like your crypto email address, but never share your private key. Example: imagine you're setting up a new email account. Your public address is like your email address. You share it so people can send you messages, or in this case, crypto. But your private key, that's your password, and you should never share it with anyone. Tips for staying safe in the crypto world. Before we wrap up, here are some quick safety tips for using crypto wallets. 1. Use 2FA, two-factor authentication. Always enable two-factor authentication on your wallet for an extra layer of security. 2. Double-check addresses. When sending crypto, always double-check the address. One wrong letter or number and your funds could be lost forever. 3. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Don't access your wallet over public Wi-Fi. This makes it easier for hackers to steal your info. Example: think of it like online shopping. You wouldn't want to enter your credit card info on an unsecured public Wi-Fi, right? Same goes for accessing your crypto wallet. Now that you've got the basics down, which wallet will you choose? Hot or cold? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 in a Million for more beginner-friendly crypto tips, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Remember, stay smart, stay safe, and stay curious. See you in the next video.